Next question would be, remember you said like when it hits the break-even point, kill
Hmm.
it.
So do we have
So
purchases yet?
bigger. Would you like to see maximum or would you like to see last 4 days?
Maximum.
Maximum. Okay, maximum it is.
Now let's show
And
the purchase column.
um, and the 01.
Awesome. Okay, so what's the break-even point again?
For this product, it'll be 30.30
Got it. AUD.
AUD.
Got it. Okay. Scroll to the right. Honestly, cost back to cart. So probably kill self-confidence and spa.
This one.
Yeah, self-confidence and spa.
So when the add to cart is higher, bless you.
Thank you.
When the add to cart is higher than $10 or something, then I kill it.
Yeah, and those two didn't have any purchase.
That's true. That's true.
This one, you can probably let it run to maybe $40 and then kill.
This one.
$40 cost per purchase.
Okay. Got it. Got it. And then for this campaign, I will run this three and see how it goes. And
then if you don't get a winner, I think this campaign you want to kill. Like
yeah.
you just want to turn off because if you look at the bottom, your cost per purchase is $60 or 57.46 at the very bottom.
Yes. Yes.
So it's like highly unprofitable. Uh,
That's
but obviously there's untracked purchases and you probably break even, but we're looking for something that is really profitable, like a winner.
yes. Yes. Okay. I'll probably move on. So next, waist pillow. Okay. So I've tried a lot of interest,
Mhm.
horizontal, and then yeah, and all like I've tried blank before, and they were not doing pretty good. So what I did was like I kept this one, which was working pretty good.
What made you want to kill, go back to the beginning? What made you want to kill
Blank
spinal cord and old age?
spinal cord. Oh, it's like like I said before, it showed like zero purchase.
Hmm.
And then it showed me that amount spent 16 and no add to cart. See,
Hmm.
no add to cart. So I was like, okay, like $16 and no add to cart, like 26 content views. I was like, okay, I think it's time. I killed it. Next day I saw that, oh, this one got 3 purchase. I'm like, oh,
Got it. And this product, did you get 11 purchases or are these fake purchases?
there are fake purchases, but I got like pretty 4, 5, 6-ish. No, more than six probably. Yeah.
If that's the case, then probably this campaign will probably die out as well. Like you probably after I think that Seattle nerd, you can kill that now because it's really unprofitable.
Oh yes, yes.
It's at $37 cost per purchase. So you can kill that now. But yeah, it looks like you're getting close to finding a winner. You got two sort of semi break even products. So you're like on track.
On track. Yeah. Thanks, man.